Picture this, a bridge that doesn't just connect two countries, but transforms an entire region. It's Dino Kasparis, your Windsor, Ontario real estate pro. Today we're diving into the Gordie Howe International Bridge, a marvel that's not only reshaping Windsor and Detroit's skyline, but unlocking incredible opportunities in real estate, business, and beyond. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or relocate, this bridge might be just your golden ticket. Curious on how this might impact your next move? Stick around, and you don't want to miss this. Now let's get after it.
It has since been restored by the city of Windsor. It served as a pumping station for the steam locomotives, which are carried on down from the marshalling yard. The steam engines will turn around on the turntable, which is now the site of the Woodweeks Memorial Garden. The rail cars were loaded from the river on two platforms. The cars will be transferred to the train street.
Named after hockey legend Gordie Howe, this bridge symbolizes strength, connection, and resilience, both cultural traits of Windsor and Detroit. Once completed, it will be the longest cable-stayed bridge in North America, spanning 2.5 kilometers. The bridge will provide 6 lanes of traffic, 3 in each direction, compared to the current 4 lanes on the Ambassador Bridge. The bridge will be a vital trade route, linking Canada and the United States with an estimated $100 billion in annual trade crossing the Windsor-Detroit corridor. Construction of the bridge is expected to create thousands of jobs on both sides of the border, boosting local economies. It will include a state-of-the-art commercial customs plaza on both sides of the bridge, designed to expedite cross-border freight and reduce traffic congestion. Improved infrastructure on both sides of the border include better road connections to reduce traffic bottlenecks in both Windsor and Detroit. The Gordie Howe Bridge will feature dedicated pedestrian and cyclist pathways, offering stunning views of the Detroit River. The project includes significant investment in surrounding areas such as parks, community spaces, and environmental restoration. The Gordie Howe Bridge will introduce faster and more reliable access to Detroit for work, education, shopping, and entertainment. Increased tourism and business opportunities will draw new residents and capital investment into the area. Enhanced property values in areas near improved infrastructure and connected routes will also be projected to be seen. While the Ambassador Bridge has served as a vital trade link for nearly a century, it's often congested and lacks modern features. The Gordie Howe Bridge is a new alternative trade route that will help with handling traffic needs, ensuring uninterrupted cross-border flows, even during maintenance or emergencies. The upgraded technology infrastructure, the new bridge will support the new region's growth for decades to come. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or renting in the Windsor, Ontario area, we would love to have the opportunity to help you make that next step. My phone number is on the screen, or you can scan the QR code. Please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. See you on the next video.